Annyeonghaseyo everyone.
I'm Margin from level 3.
I'm Yena from level 3.
I'm Lawrence from level 1.
I'm Jada from level 3.
I'm Shane from level 3. And we are going to study and making projects. The Ant and the Grasshopper. Narrator 1. On a glorious summer day, a grasshopper settles down and sings out a sweet song. He looks on an ant working hard carrying a kernel of corn to his house. Grasshopper, look at that foolish ant. All day long, he works and never enjoys the sunshine. Narrator 2. The carefree grasshopper laughs at the ant and then moves on to sing more. He stays in the warm sun all summer long without a care in the world. Narrator 1. As summer turns into autumn, the grasshopper goes on to sing his song and rejoice in the sun's warmth. The ant, on the other hand, continued to store away food in his house. Narrator 2. Winter sets in. Cold winds blow hard and soon covers the entire ground with a thick carpet of white. The grasshopper comes along to find food. Unluckily, of course, he finds nothing. Narrator 1. The grasshopper, very much starving, does not take long to knock upon the ant's door and beg, "Grasshopper, please have
pity on me.
I have nothing to eat. I will starve to death without your help. And, my dear friend, all summer long I work hard, gathering food and storing it in my house while you played in the sunshine. I'm sorry, but I will not give away my food to someone who is very lazy." Grasshopper, I was busy singing my song. I was making beautiful music. What should I do now?
Narrator 2. The ant thinks
Narrator 2. The ant thinks and speaks out, and sing and dance away your hunger and worries. Narrator 1. And the moral of the fable is, and work today for the needs that you will have tomorrow. The end. The end.
I'm preferring the meaning of an Canadian words for Nakamayani.
Ikaw, ganahan ka no? Naman na, dali, basta. Apil.
Ang sign din.
Naray na no. Naman na, basta.
Mabi ko.
Apil. Apil.
Eureka akong klase na artista.
Eureka.
Microscope.
Nagkuhan lang yun, no? Kasi ay nakakita na kag-microscope. Okay, sa eskwelahan na paan may gipaan-ana mi sa mga performance test na mo.
Yan yung istorya nga sa nakita.
Oh.
Jupiter, where are you? Your world.
Your world.
Is
Big as one to Torigo. Your world by Your World by Georgia Douglas Johnson. Your world is as big as you make it. I know for I used to abide in the narrowest nest in a corner, my wings pressing close to my side. But I sight the distant horizon where the skyline is.
Annyeonghaseyo everyone. I'm Yara from level 3.
I'm Ninya from level 1.
I'm Adrian from level 1. I'm Krista from level 1. And today we're going to study.
Annyeonghaseyo everyone. I'm Yara from level 3.
I'm Ella from level 1.
And today we're going to study.